checking the stats every minute. I'm doing my part, I'm paying attention, and I play my position.
It's Crypto Lightsaber back with another video, guys. So if you've been following the channel, we talked about a coin called Pepe 2, okay guys, which started the new 2.0 meta, or Pepe 2.0. It started the new meta on these 2.0 tokens, okay guys. So Pepe 2.0, a lot of people were in the comments saying, you know, it's probably not going to go to $1 billion, it's not going to break its all-time high and so on. It actually did go ahead and break its previous all-time high once again, which is absolutely crazy. You can go and check out my videos on that, but we're going to talk about Shibu 2.0 in this video. One thing that both of these projects have in common is the 2.0, of course, but also the community. This has a very large community, and that's why I think this could potentially blow when, you know, all of these other tokens start pumping, like Pepe 2, that got listed on a bunch of exchanges. Okay guys, there's no reason why this Shibu 2.0 can't get listed on a bunch of exchanges, and this could make you potentially a lot of money from a very small amount of money in the bull market. So we're going to take a look at this token. We're going to take a look at the chart. And of course, this is a meme coin, so it's going to be high risk, all right, guys, but don't risk more than what you can afford to lose. Okay, guys, you can put a very small amount. I remember somebody put in like $200 in Shiba Inu and took $2 million or something like that. So, yeah, that's the kind of money that you can make on these meme coins if you're holding for the bull market. Okay, if we get another meme coin run, it's probably going to pump, in my opinion. It's not financial advice, but I do have some of these tokens. I want to hold on to them and see what happens in the next run. Okay, guys. So if you missed Shiba, here's your second chance. Okay, guys, this is what it's all about. It's a 2.0. A lot of people are upset they missed Pepe, they missed Shiba Inu. Buying the 2.0 token is like your second chance at potentially getting that pump, and that's why people go into these tokens, because they think, you know what, I missed out on it last time, or I missed out on the first one. The market cap's so high on that. I want to take my chances on Shibu 2. So this is for those that want to, you know, we have to build communities in these projects at the end of the day. That's the only way we're going to take it to the moon. So everyone that feels like they got left out of the first one, they're probably going to jump into this one. Okay, and the Shiba Inu community should really get behind it, just like the Pepe community got behind Pepe 2.0. So yeah, that has to be said. So Shibu 2.0 is the second version of Shiba. As we know, history repeats itself. We are planning to follow in the same footsteps as Shiba Inu 2.0. We want to share a message that explains that every token deserves a second chance. So it's a 2% tax. Okay, ownership is renounced. Liquidity is burned. Okay, guys, that's basically all you've got for the website. If we go to the chart, okay, guys, so we're not buying the top of this token. This is potentially, or could be, the bottom. You know, it could potentially be the bottom. It came out with a bang. It went absolutely crazy when it first came out. We are on a 4-hour chart, by the way, just for the sake of stretching it out. But if you look at those numbers, we're looking at a 369,000%. Let's just lower the time frame. It looks like we're buying the bottom, potentially, of this token. Total market cap is under $1 million, and that's why I think the multiplier on this is huge, potentially. Okay, obviously, Shiba Inu is, you know, way, you know, extreme numbers, 6 billion market cap, I believe, at the time of recording this video. If we go over to, it is on coin market cap, but if we go over to, let's have a look at what Shiba Inu is. Shiba Inu is currently at it's a 4 billion market cap. Okay, guys, but at the peak of the rally, right, if we go to market cap, Shiba Inu actually hit, let's have a look, it actually hit 43 billion market cap. That's crazy. I'm not saying that Shibu 2 is going to do that at all, okay, but if it hit a fraction of that, if it went to where the market cap for Shiba Inu is now, that would be huge gains. Again, that's a long way away. It's under $1 million market cap. Okay, but Pepe, for example, Pepe went to 1.7 billion market cap literally in a few weeks. So that's the power of meme coins. You never know what they might do. So you know, buying a small amount, I mean, at this point, even if this went to a what is it? It's at 649k. Even if this went to a 6 million market cap, 6.5 million market cap, you're going to 10x. If it goes to a 600 million market cap, That's 100x. Okay, guys. So this doesn't even need to hit a billion market cap or a 48 billion market cap for you to make a huge amount of money. $1,000 in this token can turn into $100,000. I'm not saying that you should risk $1,000, okay, guys, but $100 in this token, for example, turn into $10,000 if this went to a 60 million was it 65 million market cap. Okay, so you do the math on that. All right, guys, I hope I'm not making a mistake there. Right, 649k. Yeah, if this went to a 65 million market cap, that would be your 100x. If it went to a 600 million market cap, that would be 1,000x. So $1,000 would be $1 million. So yeah, I did get that wrong. 600. So right now it's at 649k market cap. Okay. If I didn't correct that on the video, someone was just gonna correct me in the comments anyway. But I'm glad I caught it. But let me know in the comments whether you think it can hit that. Let me know in the comments. So yeah, Shiba 2.0. What I would recommend you do is join the community. We've got a large community, a large following on Twitter. 7,774 members. They are doing Twitter spaces as well, and they're getting good engagement. So one thing that I do know about this project is that they are starting a huge marketing campaign. Okay, guys, this is a sponsored video. Okay, someone's been in touch. There's a marketing agency that is promoting this. So I'm thinking, what, these guys are spending their marketing budget, and this could potentially moon. Okay, guys, that is for free. Okay, guys, so right now it's looking like it could have bottomed out. So who knows what might happen. Okay, Bitcoin pulling back and all that sort of stuff. It is the weekend. Volume's going to slow down. Okay, guys, but even that said, ultimately, when we get a meme coin run, all of these tokens are going to go absolutely nuts. Potentially. It's just speculation. Remember, once more, it's not financial advice. Do your own research. Don't risk more than what you can afford to lose. Telegram. Okay, so they have a Telegram, which I recommend you jump in as well. Okay, 2,977 members. I am a member of this group, and I recommend you come over and join us here as well. They're doing video chats as well as the spaces on Twitter as well. So come and join. Okay, guys, I'll leave the link in the description. If you want to buy this, there is a link on the website. You can just literally come over, and that will take you over to Uniswap on Ethereum, of course, and add that to your portfolio if you'd like to. Very simple. Most of you watching know how to do that anyway. The contract address is on the website as well. So that's really all I've got for you in this video. I'm going to be talking about this project a little bit more as well. We're going to do some updates on this project. So let me know what you think in the comments. If you're not subscribed to the channel, do me a favor and subscribe. Hit the little bell for notifications. Like the video, which helps with the YouTube algorithm. And I will see you in the next one.